sorry, but that is bullshit again.
Okay, well, why? What are you talking about?
Okay. You want great word of mouth for your brand, yes?
Yes, and since you seem to be Mr. Know-it-all, why don't you tell us how that works?
There are only two possibilities for word of mouth. One, you have a shitty product. Then you invest all the wonderful money in brand narratives. You are not going to get any positive word of mouth.
Okay, or?
Or you have a good product. Then your brand creative storytelling stuff is not going to help much either. There is only one thing that you can do to get more word of mouth.
And that one thing is?
You have to understand whom to put on stage.
Whom to put on stage? What are you talking about?
Imagine advertising is something like a show, like a rock concert. As a traditional advertising man, like Don Draper, you want to put the brand on stage. You turn on the lights and the fog machine, you make the good sound, and you make the band look like a real cool superstar. That is what advertising people do.
Okay.
But when you want to get word of mouth, the brand is not on the stage.
What are you talking about? The consumers are talking about the brand, and that way they're lifting it up on the stage, right?
Du n'importe quoi. The consumers are not talking about the brand. They are talking about the one thing that all people in the world are most interested in.
If consumers are not talking about the brand, what are they talking about?
They are talking about themselves.
About themselves?
When people talk about products, it only gives them a chance to talk about themselves. It's an excuse for them to put themselves on stage. Why do people love Facebook? Because it's a stage that they're on where they can make themselves look great. Why do people love Apple products? Because when they are using such a product, it makes you feel like you're standing on a really cool stage. You look cool.
So you're saying the consumers themselves want to be on stage?
But of course, that is why brands need to stop hunting for Facebook likes. For real word of mouth, it is irrelevant how many Facebook likes you have. Something else on Facebook would be much more useful.
And what is that? Something else?
Brands should stop wanting to be liked by people. Instead, they should start liking people.
Okay.
Imagine you wake up one day and your favorite brand liked you on Facebook. How cool would that be?
Indeed.
Brands should begin showing their consumers how cool the consumers are. That is when they put people on stage, and that is how they get word of mouth.
But that is really very different from the way marketing used to be.
Absolutely. Well, you keep talking to your internet people friends. I need to go on Facebook and post how awesome I am.